The core concept about technical analysis, or as we call it, charting, is the trend. The trend is the key to everything we do. Nothing is too complicated when you look at it conceptually. It is simply trying to figure out, is price going up or down? Now, it's the indicators that are the real key in charting. Indicator verified support is what we look for. And the indicators tell you if the trend is going up or down, if the trend itself is ending, or if the trend is changing direction, which of course is what it does when the trend ends typically. It moves in another direction. Sometimes it bounces off the signal line, and the signal line is what we see on the bottom half of the screen. It is the red line. The blue line is the price percent oscillator. That is our main indicator. It is a percentage version of the MACD, or the moving average convergence divergence indicator. What do all these words mean? They are simple mathematical formulas that help you look and see which way price is moving. And what we look for are trends. When we have crossovers where the price percent oscillator crosses over the red signal line, those are changes in trends. We track those. We look to get into practice trades when we have changes in trends. The biggest chart we use is the weekly chart. And that weekly chart helps us see the major changes. We draw trend lines on our charts to help us track price movement and whether it is continuing to move with the trend or if it's breaking away from that. The main way we track the trend, however, is with the price percent oscillator. That is what helps us see it. We use additionally the derivative oscillator, which also helps back up movement, in addition to the candlesticks and the trend lines. Remember, the trend is your friend until the end. And when that trend starts to change, you have to be ready to act, either to get out of a trade that you were in or get into a new trade. All of this is discussed each and every day at our website, chartingwealth.com. We encourage you to join us there. Also to take all the additional trainings we have available for free at our website, as well as purchase our book, Charting Your Way to Wealth. 10 to 15 minutes a day is all we ask. You can get started right now. Just go to chartingwealth.com, sign up for the daily review for free. You'll get an email 10 to 15 minutes a day, every day. You will start learning and understanding what it is we do. It is simple, it is profound, it is effective, and we want you to practice trade with us. You have questions? You can always write us, cw@chartingwealth.com, but visit the website, get the daily review, plus all the information that comes in the show notes for free. God bless. All the best from the whole team at Charting Wealth World Headquarters.